everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a makeup look with one brand product, which is Mars. So this is the first time I'm trying the Mars products and I would like to do a makeup look with only Mars products. So I purchased all these items in the Mars website and all the products are within rupees 400. So you can definitely give it a try. It is an affordable product and definitely you will like the quality of the product. So I will show you first the products which I purchased from the website, and then let's get on to the makeup tutorial with all these products. So the first one is the primer. So this is the Mars Pore Cure Primer, which is for smoothing and pore filling. It will give a mattifying look. The next one is the concealer palette. So this is of shade 2. So this is how the packaging is. So you have all these shades in this palette. So this is a really good palette for any skin tone. So the shade 2 is good for a medium to dusky skin tone. So it's got an orange corrector, a contouring shade, a concealer shade, and also the concealers which can cover your redness. So next one is the BB cream from Mars, and this is of shade tan. I wanted to try the BB cream rather than the foundation. So this is the packaging. And that's the shade. Next one is the Mars Wonder Powder. That's the packaging. This is the shade 3. So you have two different compacts here. And it also has a sponge. Both are actually of the same shades. It's not like one is lighter and one is darker. But I think this shade looks a little lighter, but let me give it a try and see how it looks when I apply it. Next one is this face palette. So this is called as the All I Need Makeup Kit, and this is of shade 01. So you have a contour, highlighter, blush, and 9 different shades for eyeshadow. And I really like this color variants. Next one is the eyeliner from Mars. It is a free flow eyeliner. So that's how the packaging is. Next one is the mascara, Double Trouble Mascara. So this has 2 steps. So one is for length and one is for volume. So that's for the length. That's for the volume. There are other mascaras as well, but I just wanted to try this. And the next is the Mars lipsticks. So this, there was an offer. Buy it for $3.99. It usually costs you around some $4.50. So this is the peaches and nudes. So these are the 3 lipsticks. The first one is 04, which is Instant Flush. That's the shade. Next is 05, Dream Chaser. Next is 06, Elegance. I also got these lip liners, Edge of Desire lip liners. This is of shade Lusty Pink. And this is Steamy Pink. So these are the products which I purchased from the Mars website. And I will start with the makeup products on my face to see how it looks. So the prices for all these items I will mark it in the description so you can have a look at it. As I said, all of these are within 400 rupees. And it is really affordable, and I think these would be good, so let me give it a try. So let's start on with the makeup. So I'll start with the primer. So this is a really good primer. It is actually a mattifying primer, and this will really go well for oily skin face. So for me it really suits well and it's blending in well. Now I'll use this orange corrector from the concealer palette. I will apply it under my eyes, over my eyelids, and wherever I have hyperpigmentation. So the formula of this orange corrector is really nice. It's blending in well. I'll use this wet makeup sponge to blend the orange corrector wherever I have applied. Next I'll use this darker shade for contouring. So I'm taking a brush to apply this product, and I will blend it a little with the same brush. This formula, as I said, is really good and it's blending in really well. So now I'm using the BB cream. I'll use my fingers to apply the product all over my face, and I'm using the Swiss Beauty foundation blending brush to blend the products. So this is really blending in well with this makeup brush, and the shade as well is going well with my skin tone. Now I'll use this wet makeup sponge on the right side of my face. This is just to see the difference, whether it's blending well with the makeup brush and with the sponge, and it is doing the job well. The products are really blending well with either a brush or with a makeup sponge, as you can see. So I'll use this sponge all over my face to just set the foundation. The shade, as I said, is going well with my face. Now I'll use this shade for concealing my under eyes. So I've taken the lighter shade and I'm using this PAC concealer brush to apply or set the concealer wherever I have applied. I'm using it around my lips and also my nose for highlighting purpose. So as I said, I took a lighter shade just to give the highlighting effect. I'm applying this concealer over my eyelids as well, as I'll be applying the eyeshadows and my eyelids are darker than usual, so I'm applying a little bit more of the concealer. Now I'll use this compact to set the concealer wherever I have applied. So I'm using the same concealer brush to set the concealer with the powder. I feel this is a lighter shade for me, but finally the outcome is not bad because I will be dusting off the excessive powder. So I'm using this powder brush to dust off the excessive powder, as I said. Now I'll use this All I Need makeup kit for the eyeshadow. I'll use this blending eyeshadow brush to create the transition shade. So this one seems to be really nicely pigmented, and the shade is also good. Now I'll use a smaller eyeshadow brush and I'll use this shade to apply it over my eyelids. So I'll apply this all over. I'm creating just a simple eye makeup look. So this shade is really nice. This is a shimmery shade which I've taken. I'm just applying the shade over my eyelids, and I'm using the blending brush again, the big blending brush, to blend the both the shades. Now I'll take this shade and I'll use it in my lower lash line. I'll use it both the sides. Now I'll use this shade for highlighting below my eyebrows and in the corner of my eyes. Now I'll use this eyeliner. So this is a free flow eyeliner. In a single stroke you can just use it. Now I'm using the mascara. The step 1 is for length, and it is actually really good. And the step 2 is to create more volume. So you can see here, it's really making a huge difference. I'll use it on the other side as well. So I really like this mascara a lot. Now I'll use this shade for contouring. I'm using this angular contour brush from Swiss Beauty, and I'm applying in the cheek areas and also in my jawline and wherever required. And I'm using a smaller brush to contour my nose. Now I'm using this blush brush to use this blush from the palette. I'm just applying it first. It is really pigmented, and then I am blending it across wherever I have applied. So this is a really good blush, in fact a really good palette. Now I'll use this highlighter on my high point areas on my face. So this is also a really good highlighter. It is quite pigmented. Now I'm just using this powder brush to take off any excessive products which I see. So now I'll be using the lip liner. This is the steamy pink shade, and for lipstick I'll be using the 05 shade. So that's the final look. Okay, so this is the completed look with the Mars products. So I liked all the products from here, so there's nothing which I can say is not that good. Probably the foundation is hydrating, so it is good for dry skin people as well. So you can definitely give it a try. So for me, it is usually oily to combination skin, and it is going well. As you can see, the final look looks really good. So yeah, so that's the final outcome of the Mars products makeup look. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please click on like and the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.